With that action over, the cougar turns his attention to another coyote and for the first time considers it as prey. The coyote quickly senses his peril. A large badger feeding on the deer carcass, which was finally abandoned by the fox, pauses to watch the chase. His heart not really in the chase from the beginning, the cougar lets the coyote go. Though the cougar fears no valley animal, some would find the young cubs easy prey. The yearling leads the way as they enter the valley. In weeks past, he has become a familiar companion to the cubs, visiting the den often when their mother is away on a hunt. Today, he must be their protector, too. The wolf follows a deer trail above, and the cougar tenses into a stalk. The cubs would have no chance against this hunter. The wolf will not return soon, but the chase has carried the yearling far from the two cubs. They've spotted an animal new to them, a white-tailed deer.
Of their offspring and for food. The behavior of wild animals is so impressive that over the centuries we have honored some of these untamed beasts with mythical qualities. The result is a mixture of truth and fable. I'm Marty Stauffer. Join me for these amazing legends.
Now beneath the fallen snow. This is his valley, the valley that called him down the mountain, the valley where he was born. A coyote hunts for small animals hidden in the grass and is in turn hunted by the young cougar, driven now by an overwhelming hunger. Here, in this valley, his journey is ended. But now he must catch game or starve. The coyote is too fast. The hunger-weakened cougar soon tires, and the coyote escapes easily. But careless, he stops too soon. again, the coyote's speed takes it quickly out of reach. The situation is desperately serious for the hungry cougar now. He must soon find prey he can catch. The chase after the coyote has left him even weaker,